Right now we are undertaking some language across curriculum tasks where students are learning about science in English, science skills in English, in particular classification, how to read classification texts, especially. So, these students have received 8 strips of paper, 4 topic sentences, and 4 paragraphs. And from this text, taken from simple Wikipedia on a violin, they are to first discover the topic sentences, and then put the topic sentences by the corresponding paragraph. Then after they've done that, then they're supposed to put the paragraphs in order. One of the paragraphs is an introductory paragraph. This article, unfortunately, has no conclusion. Yeah, there's some problems. The other instruments in the family are viola, cello, and double bass. Even though, I'm sorry, I didn't cut very well, I think the words here can give you a clue as to which topic sentence is related to. Okay? So I didn't actually cut the strips very well, but I think there are enough words on each strip to get kids their minds drawn. So hopefully they can identify the topic sentences. The violin is sometimes called by its nickname, the fiddle. Someone who plays it is a fiddler. There's even a verb, to fiddle. So they put one paragraph together, and now they need to put the other paragraph together, and to put the paragraphs in order. Are you guys done? No? You want to match the topic sentence with the corresponding paragraph, and then put the paragraphs in order. Are you guys done? Are you boys finished? Yes? Good. They're fast. By the way, boys, why is this the introductory paragraph? Why is that the first paragraph? Why is this the first paragraph? So what does the introductory paragraph do then? What's its purpose? In the introduction you explain what? Okay, boys. You know what? I think we're going to address this with the entire class. But first, can you put this over there on the visualizer so everyone can see?